Welcome back to Creature Features. Miss Carrie Byron stepped away. You know, I think she was offered another television program.
At this moment.
That young lady is on so many programs. No, she got a call from her agent. It was urgent.
Well, she's rather popular.
Well, of course she's popular, but when an agent calls and says it's urgent, it's usually good news.
Huh.
I could be wrong, but no. I once thought I was wrong, but I was simply mistaken. Let's do letters.
Yes.
All right, what do you got for me, Mr. Livingston?
I have a small package from Grass Valley.
Grass Valley, California?
Grass Valley, California.
I love Grass Valley, California. You know why?
Why?
It's a valley full of grass.
I see.
You know, one of these days, you're not going to fall for that trick anymore. Now, this is definitely not going to be for me, based on the color of these little boxes.
Well, the bag itself.
I shall give them to Tangela in a moment. I don't want her to real surprise. All right, so this is very nicely written cursive. It's almost written like poetically. However, I may stumble reading this. Apologies, it is my eyes, not your writing. Dear Tangela, Vincent, and Mr. Livingston, I recently found your show on YouTube and just love watching you guys on Friday and Saturday night. See? She watches, I assume it's a she, it looks like female writing. She watches on Friday and Saturday. That's what people should be doing.
They should, I
Except for the
gather.
nights that we don't do Friday. Sometimes we don't. Yeah.
If they have nothing better to do.
No, well, sometimes her and I have a social event to attend. And, you know, we cannot do the Friday show. Just like you. He's out at the pub.
It's my day off.
It is. All right, Friday nights. I'm not a fan of gore, blood, but you guys make it worthwhile and enjoyable. You know, we don't show that much gore and blood, right?
No.
No, we have like the light version of that, the diet version of gore and blood. I just started a nail business called DazzledNails.com. This is where the package comes in, I think. And I would love to give Tangela a couple of pairs. I absolutely love Tangela as she totally rocks. You guys are amazing. Love, Shirlz and Robbie. P.S. From all of us at SE Studios, we love you guys. Rock on. Well, thank you so much. What did she send you? Oh, those are lovely.
Nails.
No, well, you know, she doesn't like doing her own nails, but she would stick those on. Those are fantastic. Next time we're in Grass Valley, we're going to come in and have you do her actual nails. She'd have a tough time with her nails. She's always scratching things. Right? Is that it for letters?
That's it for letters.
That's it for letters. If you'd like to send us a letter of your own by email, send it to the address you see over here. Or if you'd like to send a nice little packet from a nail salon,
Grass Valley.
Grass Valley, send it to the address you see right here. We'll be back with Miss Carrie in a moment.